to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. I am so excited. I have a package to unbox with you guys and give you some information about. And before we get into that, I do want to say, please don't forget we have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. It is ending in just a couple days. So if you have not already, please make sure you enter. If you are new here, welcome. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. So please hit that subscribe button and make sure you do enter the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Again, it is ending on September 30th. And as you guys can see, I did take down my backdrop because I feel like it sometimes was just a little too much, and I feel like that this simple background of just the wall here in our guest bedroom slash office is sufficient. I have a beautiful picture here. You can't quite see all of it, but this is going to be the new normal for my videos. I feel like it's a little toned down and you can focus more on the products I'm showing you and me. So we are going to go ahead and dive into this package I wanted to show you guys. And it's just a plain white box. I'm going to cover up my address. And so you have no idea where it's from. I do, but that's because I see the label. This is from IT Cosmetics. I am so excited to share this with you. I am going to open this. This, if you are new to IT Cosmetics, if you have not ordered from them, they actually have a program where they will send you new makeup, like kind of like a replenishment program. You can, if you don't want to continue with that, you don't have to, but the startup of it is an amazing deal in my opinion. It is $49.95 and you get 7 products, and they're pretty much, you know, everything you're gonna need for a look. But right now they do have a thing where you're getting a bonus if you get the 7-piece, because they have a 5-piece that's a little bit cheaper. But in my opinion, the $49.95 to get the 7-piece plus the bonus was well worth it. It is like a blush or something duo, I honestly don't remember, and then a brush, but then you still get the 7 pieces, like foundation and things, but we'll dive in here and we'll take a look. I will put the link down below. It is not actually the IT Cosmetics website. It is tryitnow.com. So like I said, I will put that down below. So if you like it and you want to give it a try, you can. We're going to open it. Take the packing slip out. It says customize and save at mycosmeticskit.com, powered by Guthy Rinker. So that may be, and then this is what it looks like when you open it. Kind of what I was saying is, you know, if you like certain products and you want to, you know, every month, 3 months, however often, have them resent to you, you have the option. But we're going to go ahead and take this out of the box. Actually, we're going to put it back in the box because otherwise I'll probably drop everything and it'll go everywhere. So, we are going to unroll this bag. This is like the world's largest sachet bag I have ever seen. So, alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, and then I can see bonus stuff underneath. So the first thing you're sent, and you do get to select shades, is their Bye Bye Foundation, full coverage and moisturizing. It has an SPF of 50. So this is one of the items. So that is awesome. And then you get the Bye Bye Pores Tinted Skin Blurring Finishing Powder. I'll just show you this because this is what And then you also get the Bye Bye Concealer Anti-Aging Waterproof Full Coverage Concealing Cream. And you get their Hello Lashes 5-in-1 Clinically Proven Mascara. And that's a big old wand and a little different. It's got like a almost like a ball point on the end. And obviously, yes, some of, obviously these are, not necessarily the full size, because It Cosmetics can be pretty pricey, but that's why it's try it now. So you're getting, sample and deluxe sizes. So, but again, to try it, it's worth it to me. Then we have here Vitality Lip Flush 4-in-1 Reviver. Anti-aging lip balm, lipstick, lip gloss, and lip stain. We're just gonna open this because I'm trying to see and can't quite figure it out. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. Vitality Lip Flush, Je ne sais quoi, I'm guessing is the name of the color. I may have completely butchered that, but I don't know. It's clear. So I don't know if this is one of those that when you put it on. Okay, this looks like one of those, because I just did a swatch of it. This looks like one of those that when you actually put it on, it is kind of like a moisturizing balm, but when you put it on, it does give you right here a little bit of color, a little bit of, it's like a light pink. So that's really pretty. And then we've got the It Cosmetics No Tug Waterproof Anti-Aging Gel Eyeliner. It's kind of hard to see. And the final product in the 7-piece kit is the Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. It's in Universal Taupe. I'm gonna open this because I'm pretty sure, because it looks like it's two-sided, that it's probably going to be one side is, the product, and then the other side is the spoolie. But let's open her up and take a look for sure. Okay, so here you have the roll-up color, and the spoolie is on the other end. So that is really cool. So you've pretty much got your whole face. And then you're like, hey, wait a minute, there was no blush. Well, your free gift that I have to open comes with this awesome face brush. And this side is like an all over, and then like maybe concealer, or if you wanted to use it for highlight. but this awesome brush. And to go along with the brush and complete your full face, we have here the IT Cosmetics Live Love Laugh Vitality Face Disc Anti-Aging Matte Bronzer, Brightening Blush Tint, and Radiance Illuminator. It's like a box inside a box. This is what it looks like. Beautiful. So here we have the blush, the highlighter, and bronzer. So this and the brush were the bonus items when you ordered the 7-piece kit. Well, the 7-piece kit with this, the only thing you're missing is eyeshadow. And we all pretty much have eyeshadow. So I think, and this brush, oh God, I love this brush. Amazing. So I just wanted to share with you guys this because I thought it was a super awesome deal and a great way to try their products, and try their products, not just one or two here and there, but essentially a whole face. Like I said, the only thing really missing as far as the makeup is eyeshadow. So I'm super excited to give it a try, come up with a look with that. I've got plenty of eyeshadow I can do, and I'm just excited for it. I thought it was, like I said, a great deal. I will make sure to put it down below. Again, it is tryitnow.com. So you can do that, and they do, like I said, have the 5-piece. The 5-piece, however, you do not get the bonus item of the brush and the they're calling it a face disc, with the blush, the bronzer, and the blush, the bronzer, and the highlighter. So like I said, it was maybe $15, $20 more to get the 7-piece, so you got the 2 additional products and then this. So to me, it was worth it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I'm going to make sure everything is linked down below. Otherwise, I will talk with you guys in the next video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you.